Yeshua HaMashiach. Ready to fight and I'm wearing the armor. Most of these people they faking, they thinking they knowin' the Father, but no, we don't hate, just gotta pray from this larger. The vision, the mission, denominations are division. When I talk they not hearing, don't listen. In the book of St. Matthew it's written, have we not prophesied in thy name, cast out demons in thy name, think to be Christian just to gain this life over death. Talk to Jesus, give me my breath, and the devil he quiet as kept. Out of time he bout to get swept. Hold the sword, I'm holding the weapon. Preach the truth, the lessons. Who's your pastor, reverend? Do they be teaching the meat, or do they be teaching deceit? And do they be teaching the word? If not, I don't care what you heard. Yeah, cause it isn't the truth. Most of these churches, they teaching the apple. What are we doing? Most of these churches confused over Paschal. We don't do Easter. Most of these churches be preaching the rapture. Where are you going? So much confusion, provided no pastor, they spiritually dead. I know truth cause the word I read, Greek and Hebrew in the depth. Translate back to the promised land. Seal of God that's in my head, in my brain, thinking of